Hi, this is Rita from Rita Reviews, and today I want to show you the Parrot MINIKIT Neo hands-free Bluetooth for your car. The kit comes with, you get this great little bag, got 3 little dividers. This is the actual Bluetooth device. As you can see, it flips over your visor. You also get a car charger, which would let you plug it into the computer or your car. I want to show you how great this is. Pairing it is real easy. You just simply follow the instructions. But when you want to use it...
Who do you want to call?
Call home.
Home. Home. Call in progress.
And as you can see, sorry, that was really bad. Anyway, as you can see, it's really easy. And if you call your phone, you get the same sort of, you get the same sort of real easy access. Let me back up a little bit. It should take it.
Incoming call from home. Say accept or reject.
Accept.
Say accept or reject.
Accept. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
And as you can see, it's real simple to use. It's great. You get, there are apps that you can use. Let me move my phone. There are apps that you can use to download from iTunes or from Google Play. You can use it with 2 different phones. You can listen to your music. You can do a really wide assortment of things. Turning it on and off is real simple. It's here on the side. But you can also scroll through like your phone book.
Phone book. A. Anita.
The green will call.
A.
And the red on this side will turn it off. It's voice activated. It's great. We're loving it. And that's the Parrot MINIKIT Neo.